In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom AI chatbot to your WordPress site in just a few minutes using a no-code app builder. Whether you're looking to enhance visitor engagement or automate some customer service tasks, integrating an AI chatbot can be a game changer for your website. Let's get started. The first step is to go to wordpress.com. The platform is an essential tool that allows you to manage your website content seamlessly. So open up your favorite web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the login button at the top right of the page. Click on it to access your WordPress account. Once you've clicked login, you'll be presented with several sign-in options. To keep things simple and secure, click on Continue with Google. By using Google, you can streamline your sign-in process without having to remember another username or password. It's a seamless integration that enhances your security while making the login process faster. After you click to continue with Google, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Choose the account linked to your WordPress site. This will authenticate your access and take you directly to your WordPress dashboard, where the magic happens. Now that you're logged into your WordPress account, take a look at the right panel within the dashboard under Quick Links. You'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Give that a click. This will allow you to make changes to your site, such as adding new features like our AI chatbot. With the site editor open, direct your eyes to the top left corner of the page. There you'll find a plus icon, which is your gateway to adding various blocks to your site. Click on that plus icon, and a menu will pop up with a wide range of block options to choose from. In the block search bar that appears after clicking the plus icon, type in the word chat. WordPress will showcase all relevant options for chat functionalities you can implement. We've streamlined the steps so you don't have to go hunting through endless menu options. Among the options, you'll find Jetpack AI Search as a choice. Click on it to add this AI functionality to your site. The Jetpack AI Search is a powerful tool that not only adds an interactive element to your site, but also uses machine learning to provide intelligent responses to your users' queries. And that's it. You've now added a custom AI chatbot to your WordPress site effortlessly. This seamless integration enhances user experience by offering quick responses and personalized interactions with your site visitors. Now sit back and let your AI chatbot do its magic, providing support and engagement in ways that can elevate your website's functionality to the next level. Thank you for following along, and enjoy the enhanced capabilities of your WordPress site.